Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to unpin items from the taskbar on your Windows 10 computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve it. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up the start menu. I'm going to have a path in the description of my video, starts with %sign app data. I want you guys to paste it in, and the best match should come back with a file folder here. Go ahead and just left click on it to open it up. If you have any items you want to remove, just right click on them and delete. If you want to delete all of them, just highlight over all of them and delete. And then once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So once you've restarted, hopefully the items should be gone from the taskbar, or you should be able to actually unpin them at this point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.